Hi. So yesterday we discussed about the data type in Java. So primitive data types were completed. So now the pending with the non-primitive data types, so which are in string and array. So we'll see with examples. So then after we can move on to that. Then we can move on to that playwright topics. That is like kind of browser actions. Okay, browser action in the sense. So whenever we have a browser, so uh, we have a refresh on the page and navigate to the back page and forward to the next page, something like. So basically, these browser actions are predefined methods, usually in any automation tool, because so where there those are available here, right? So these are the areas you can see. It is a refresh button, a backward button and forward button. So usually we will not inspect here. So generally any object on the web page we will inspect and we'll do the actions. But these browser actions are we cannot inspect on the browser. So that is the case. So the playwright or Selenium guys they created a predefined methods. So that those are the like, browser level actions. So we can see that. Okay, predefined methods using predefined methods. Then after we can move on to the how to handle the drop down list. Okay, so any drop down list, how we are going to handle by using layout and how to handle the checkbox. Okay, then after like already in the data type, right? We are going to learn the what is the string and string methods, right? Based on that, I give one kind of assignment. So there is a string course. Okay, it is a Playwright Java. We need to write a like a, program. The course is print in reverse order. So okay. So right now is a Playwright is a proper order. So I want a Java A V J something reverse order by using this method. And also you can print that substring. So this is the string I am expecting only Java. So we need to skip this Playwright. So by using this another method, I will explain today. So by after that, you can do the exercises, right? And the last assignment, assignment three, in yesterday, I told you like this is the page we are going to like you have to perform like fill the registration form all the fields, right? So text fields. So till now we covered text fields, right? So now we have a calendar. I'm not able to cover, but so I will. Today I'm covering like checkboxes, radio button, and drop down list. So better you can handle the drop down list as well. So that is the case. I noted down here. You can fulfill that one. Okay. The fill the registration form noted down. Okay. Then drop down on checkboxes, radio buttons are covering in this session. So you can use and complete this task. Okay. So the above task, right? Only that entering the data in the text box. Now same exercises we are covering a drop down and checkboxes radio button. So you can use the and fill some other data. So that is what it is. So this is the today agenda. Okay. So let's start the session and we'll uh, yeah. So basically we'll today we'll start with this non-primitive types. So it is a string, right? So basically string, right? String in Java, so it is a predefined class. Okay, it is a predefined class. Okay, string is a non-primitive data type, and in the Java it is a class. Okay, and string means how do we declare the any variable? Basically, what is a string? String is a sequence of character, right? The string, the strings is a sequence of okay sequence of characters. Sorry, sequence of characters. So what does it mean? So we can declare any value, any string type value. We have to make sure that yesterday we told right data type, okay, data type, okay, and the variable name, and the value, okay, equal to value, right? So this is the way, and so it is a string data type, Okay, we are defining a string data type and variable is str and it is hello. Okay, the value is hello. So here hello is how the hello is represented, a sequence of characters. Okay, sequence of characters. Suppose if we want to declare a single character. Okay, single character. How do we declare single character? In the non-repetitive section yesterday, we talked about that character. So to do that, the char is a data type. C is a kind of ch is a kind of variable here, and a is a value. It is a single character. So you want to represent a single character, so you can go with the characters, nothing to. And if you have a sequence of words, you can go with that string. Okay, string class. Okay, so string class. How do we create a string class? So generally, there are two ways to create. Okay, creating a string in Java. Okay, so there is a one kind of interview question. Okay, here you can please listen carefully. There are two ways to create a string in Java. The first way is string literal. Okay, way is string literal, and second way is okay. The second way is using new keyword. Okay, using new code. So these two ways, we can create, and which one is the best? Which one is the best one? So that we need to think on based on the memory utilization. Okay, based on the memory utilization, I will explain the problem. So the string, the first way, right? What is the first way? The way we can create a string by using a string. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, just to data type. Okay, just data type followed by a variable name str and equal to hello. This is the string way to declare. And second way is using new. So because using new keyword, as I told you, any Java class object. Okay, any Java class object. How do we create an object? So class name. Okay, class name followed by class reference or variable reference. Okay, variable reference. Okay, variable reference and equal to there is a new keyword and is a class constructor. Okay, it is a class constructor. So now by this way, okay, what is the class here? String is a class. So string, right? And so what is the variable name? Is yes. And new is a keyword. What is a string constructor? So the class name and constructor name must be same, right? And so we can create a hunt. So this is another way of creating. Okay, this is the second way of creating using new keyword. Using new keyword, right? So what is the keyword here? The keyword is new keyword. So there are two ways to create a string object. So by string literal. So by string literal means you have to represent that data type on the variable reference name and followed by the equal to and double quotations. Another way is by new keyword. Okay, string, it is a class. So that is the case. We are using a new keyword as a new keyword and constructor followed by what string you want to represent. Okay, yes. So what is the difference? So which one is a good one and which one is what is the benefit of this one, right? So before going to that, just we can see that some kind of exercises, okay, and some kind of methods, okay. So as I told you, whenever we have a Java class, okay, so it is a predefined class in Java, okay, predefined class. Predefined class in the sense it is developed by the Java community or Java developers, okay. So they created some kind of predefined methods. Okay. So they created some kind of predefined method. So let me check that uh, string Java API, string Java API documentation. So now here you can see yes. These are the methods. Okay. So these are the first of all, these are the constructor. So and the second is the methods. So let's explore a few kind of methods. Okay. So let's see how to read this description. So here it is a method and followed by our method argument. And this is the return type and this is the method description. So what is the method description? For example, the first method, character it. Method name is character it. Okay, carrot something. Okay, character it. And the one argument is which argument? Int type argument. Int type argument and the argument name is index. So this particular character method is required a integer value for as the argument and which returns. So character method which can return a char value at the index position. Char value at the index position. And that particular character value will be returned. That is the way we can that is the way we can read it. So similarly, so this is the one and compare to later point of view we'll use and concatenation. Okay, so concat is a method and we can provide that another string. So string plus string something like string concat another string. Okay, content. So there is another method called contains. So you can provide a one character sequence. So whether it is contains or not, it will check. Okay. And there is a one more very important thing, the length. So the length is a method. Okay. So the next method is length method. So you can see that I want to find the string length. So this is the method. So just you can find that on top of that, the particular string, and which can return the length method returns the length of the string. Okay, and the integer value will be returned. So similarly, you can see that substring method. Okay, so the substring method you can provide the beginning index. Okay, okay. So beginning indexes from where you want to print the string. Okay. So and so you can also provide another method substring. You can give the which location like beginning location to the ending location index. Okay. Yeah. And you want to change your string into lowercase, complete uppercase, right? So these are the things. And there is a method called trim method. So so we usually getting the string has some spaces front of this the beginning of the string and ending of the string. So you want to wipe it. So we need a method called string method. Hmm. So let's see few of these methods practically, and we'll write a program for that. These are the very important, like string class is very important in interactive standpoint because I told you right, I have given some example, character method, reverse print the reverse string and get the some substrings, right? Those you will see that those kind of interview questions. Okay, so right click and create a string example class, string examples. Okay, yes. Main method. Okay, yes. So how to create a string? String is a string data type and str is okay. Str is, or we can say that, yeah, S is the value, okay, str, and playwright, playwright Java training. Okay, so this is my kind of string, and I want to print the string. Okay, I want to print the string. So what I should do? So print the string, and followed by to give a semicolon and so str. Okay, So as we know, everybody, right? The system dot out of println is a predefined method. So what are the double quotation value it will be printed and followed by plus concatenation and the string representation, the str. What is the string it is stored? A Playwright Java will be printed. So let me run this. Yeah. So print the string colon Playwright Java is printed. Right now. So next is we can perform some one by one methods like one by one methods like. So let's see the methods and okay. So first we can see the length method. Okay. First we can see the length method. Length method. So what we need to give? So my string stored in this variable. Okay, and you can uh, this is my string and dot length. So you can see after the str. So str is a variable. Hold that playwright Java training, and on top of that we are able to see all the kind of character method, length method, to lower method, trim method. So which are I show you right in that API documentation. So all the string related methods are displayed here. Okay, so you can perform length method. And length method is returning what is the value into type value. So into length of string, length of string. So now this is the one, and you can print that string length. String length, length of string. So what is the length of string? Let's see, and then okay, the length of string is 24. Right, the length of string is 24. So let's count it. So yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11. Hello, can you hear me right? Yeah. So it printed, right? It printed that length of the string. And let me count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we need to count the gap also. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So it actually printed. So that is the way it will be counted in the internal, right? So next, so what is the next method? We can perform it. Okay. So length method is done, and how to perform any string length is a method we can perform it. You come to know. The next method is to character it. Okay. See char it. So char it, and what is the index we need to put? Okay, we need to provide a index. Okay. So we need to provide a index. So what is our string? Our string is str. Okay, or you can put like this also. Direct string also you can put it. Okay, so there is another way. So direct string dot okay character. So what is the character? Which character you want? So based on the index, right? I want this kind of mm, like Y character. So Y character in the sense 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I provide index 4, okay, if I provide index 4, let's see that. So what will be the result? So which will be in the character, right? So char ch equal to, okay, the character ch equal to. So on top of the string, we are performing a character int and printing the character, printing the character. H and the print that uh, so let me run it. So what is the value we got? So we got a W. So why? Because so here the characters when we perform a character thing, so the index will start from 0. Okay. So that is the case. What is the index of 4? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So what is the value we give? The 4, right? So P is in the place of index 0 and L is the place of index 1 and A is the place of index 2 and Y is the place of index 3 and W is the place of index 4. So that is the case we got a W. So indexing way like indexing any index in Java so mostly start with 0 but when counting the number of string right it will start from 1. Okay. So that is the case we got the above 124 because we count the number 1, 2, something like that. Then what is the index way? Index is the length minus 1, 23. So index way is this one, 0 to 20, 23. But normal string characters count is 1 to 20. So in that character trait method, so which required an index. So whenever you are talking about the index, you need to count with from 0. So that is the case. What is the index of 4? Index of 4 is okay, holding with the W. Okay. So that is the case we printed W here. I hope clear, right? Yeah. Now next we can see that another method, substring method. So based on this method, okay, the interview will give some kind of exercise and try to find out the programs. Okay. So next method is a hard method. It is a substring method. Substring method. Substring, and also you can give that int I in a sense index. So we start from index, and it is a there are two methods here. So basically there are two methods, and I will explain that. And another method is a substring method, okay, and which is int beginning index, okay, beginning index. Both are same, yeah, beginning index and ending index. So the above one is only beginning index. Beginning index. So what does mean is, suppose uh, let's treat this particular string as a kind of array. Okay. So now you can start the first method, beginning index, right? So if you provide a index of 4, which means this as we know, and so this string substring will cut off till 4, so which means so I want after the values. Okay. Or till only for beginning. Let's see that. Little bit confused. And coming to the second one. So I want from 4 to 23, something like or 22. So this basically I want this particular string code. So that time you know the indexing from where to the ending location. So you can use this one. If you are not at, like you want only the beginning index, so you can perform like this. Let's see that. Uh, so str, okay, and just I'm writing a print statement. System out, substring method using beginning index. And str is our string, and we are using substring and beginning index is beginning index is 4. So let's see this method will returns beginning ones or ending ones. I think it is you see after the W. Okay, after W the string. Okay, from beginning. So it is wiping off. It is not considering of till play. It is taking only the after the value. So that's what it is. Till beginning, we are substring. We are making a substring. New string. We call it a new string. So you can also provide another way. So that is providing a indexing, both the indexing. So let me copy and paste it this statement and substring method using beginning and ending index. So now here what we need to pass. So let me pass 6, 5, 6. So 7 to 7 comma, it is a beginning index 7 and 20 is our ending. So let's see that. Yeah. So now you can see it is only the in between the starting index, in between the starting index and ending index. So GST and the training tray till now. So we got it, right? So these are the substring method where we can use the tool. Okay. The next one method also we can explore it. So the next method is called concat. Okay. So there is a method called concat. Okay, concat and providing the string. Okay, providing the string str. So concat method, what does it takes, right? It concat the specified string and end up the another string. Something. Suppose I will declare a new string str hello. Okay, so my string name is str hello. Okay, so the string is hello. Okay, so the string is hello and str hi and my string name is hi. English. So I want to concat this string hello to hi. Okay. So how do you do that? So the first way, str hello. Okay, this is my string. On top of the string, okay, I want result like a hello, then after hi. In this way, we need to concat. So that is the case. Str hello is the first place, okay, which contain hello. Followed by we need a hi. So what we need to do? We need to use the method called concat, okay, and provide the which string you want to concat. So this is the string which hold the value reference. This is the okay. So this is the first string. Okay, followed by you are going to concat ending of that. Ending of the when after hello, you are concating. So that is the way it will carry uh, carry out the output. Okay. So let me print this statement. Concat two strings. Concat the string, right? So string dot compare SQL file. So this is the one.